There's been a huge update with the New York Times games, and now you can make your own Wordle. I'm going to show you how to do it. For starters, whether you're on your phone or whether you're on the computer, you're now going to notice up here in the right corner somewhere, it's going to say create a puzzle. You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to a create your own Wordle puzzle. Now you can make a Wordle and send that link to friends who can maybe guess your word. Instead of you playing a daily puzzle, you now can create them for other people. But it's not even just that. It doesn't have to be 5 letters long anymore. It can be between 4 and 7 letters. And also, I've gone ahead and given you 10 Wordles that I've created that you can choose to play right now. So let's go ahead and create one. Create a puzzle, and you get to choose a 4 to 7 letter word. So I'm going to pick one. And the one word I'm going to pick is a 6-letter word, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. And then add your display name. Well, it's my name, but I'm going to, since this is Puzzling Games, go puzzling, that's 10 characters, G-A, and then insert a clue in your shared message. So I guess you could say something like, sit back and have a drink while you solve. And then we go all set. There it is. It's done. Now it says share your puzzle. You can either play it first. There it is. Now we actually have our puzzle. There it is. 7 letters. Well, I hate to say this, but I think I know what it is. I go a bottle. Oh my God, I got it right in the first one. How amazing is that? I'm a genius. Coming back here. Now that you have it, if you want to share it, share your puzzle, copy to clipboard. But now you can send people the link and they'll get it. And there it is. We've already solved it. Again, I've put 10 of my own puzzles in the description. They're either between 4 to 7 letters, easy or hard. Go play some and go ahead and send people your own Wordles.